Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my go-to summer look using these 6 products. And usually I love to use powders and highlighters and all that kind of stuff. But I think that for the summer, we definitely want to get out there and enjoy the weather, enjoy the patio time with a margarita or with an iced coffee, whatever is your drink of choice. But it's time to be outside, spending time with family, friends, especially right now that the country is starting to open up. So I wanted to show you my quick, simple, get out the door, go-to summer look using affordable drugstore makeup. So don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, as I upload videos weekly regarding beauty, tips, and tricks. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so for a base, the foundation or BB cream, because this acts like a BB cream, it's almost, I would think this product, the Dream Urban Cover, it says full coverage protective makeup sunscreen. So this is kind of like a dupe for the IT Cosmetics CC cream, but a lot less expensive. This is a drugstore product. It's from Maybelline and it has an SPF of 50, which is really, really nice. It's definitely what we want. I still put on a layer of sunscreen underneath, but it definitely doesn't hurt to have more protection. It says it's antioxidant enriched pollution protection. So that's what we want. So this is what I'm going to start off with. But before, let's pause. I'm going to put up my hair, and I wanted to show you guys what I like to do in the summer. So if I'm like going out to a patio, I guess sometimes I can just put my hair halfway up, but usually I like to put it in a ponytail like so. And big tip, I discovered these last year when I went to the fair. I mean, I've heard about them, but I never really tried them, and they are magic. They don't pull your hair, which is nice because otherwise you'll have hair breakage. And they really grab onto your hair. They don't slide off either. And then if I want a touch or a pop of color, I use one of my little handkerchiefs. These come now in these beautiful neon colors. And then I'll just grab this and either tie a knot and wear it like that. There's scrunchies out there now that have these little dangly things. Or I will just kind of wrap it around my ponytail, give it another little tie here, like so. And as you can see, it's a cute little like decoration for your hair. And if you get too sweaty, you can always take it off and wipe off your sweat. So, okay, now that we're ready with the hair out of the way, I'm going to grab my IT Cosmetics brush. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and I have the color 220 natural beige. So I'm going to take that and just apply a light. Now it says full coverage, and it kind of does provide a really nice coverage, but I wouldn't call it exactly full. I don't know. That's me. I've worn full coverage foundations, and it's like you're putting spackle on. If you have really like scarring or anything that you want to cover up, you can always use like a concealer just to spot treat. But I like to, can't forget your eyelids. Usually I do my eyeshadow with a different base, but we're not going for that today. So that's why I'm used to leaving it bare. All right, so as you can see, this is all it takes. And then quick for my eyebrows, I have this from LA Colors, which is also, I think this is a brand, I'm pretty sure this is LA Colors is from the dollar store. Can't beat that. All right, so it's got a little spoolie, so I just kind of, I usually love my dramatic, soap brows, but for the purpose of just going, like I said, going out quick to the park or even to meet some friends, you just Just need a little bit. You don't need to get in on the full glam, and kind of use this for little strokes. This one is really nice so far from what I can see. It's a nice pencil. And we got eyebrows. And then for your eyes, I recommend these NYX pencils. They're called Jumbo Eye Pencil. This one is Rust. So as you can see, it's got like a beautiful like coppery, dark copper, brownish color. And so all I do is grab this one and go along here. And kind of spread it out, give you a little bit of color. And then I got the actually we don't need the liner, so it's even 5 products. That's it. That's all you're gonna need. And then we've got the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. This one is waterproof. It is a great drugstore mascara. It's a great mascara. So just go in, and this one, like I said, is waterproof. You can curl your eyelashes, but I'm trying to do this as fast and simple as possible. We're going a little bit down on the bottom. And then I got this L'Oreal Infallible, which is also from their long-lasting line. What does it say? Longwear shaping stick. I was looking at the French side. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of like a little pink. It's got a pink, there you go, pink color. And I got the color, I think they have different shades, but I got the color 46. This is Cheeky Dimension. So just kind of dab a little bit on your cheeks, like so. And right now, during the summer, cream products is your best friend. So look at how pretty that looks. And it's just natural, flushed. You know, you don't look so pale. Just kind of give you that little bit of glow. I love my blush, so I'm gonna put a little more. Kind of make sure you put it up to your temples. And a little bit on the nose. Kind of, yeah, that give you that pretty flushed look. And then I like to, I'll just take with my finger and I'll apply some to my lip. For a really pretty pink pout. Or I also have, you can also get some of those, I think Burt's Bees has them. There's a different drugstore brands, the tinted lip balms, and this one is from Kaiko. They have them at Ulta, but they're not that expensive either. And like I said, you can use any tinted lip balm. And there you go. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? It is super easy, super affordable. You get out the door super quick. It doesn't look like you just jumped out of bed and ran out. But it's still fast, very lightweight, so that you don't feel like sticky and heavy makeup. Right now during the summer, that is not what we want, but it's perfect to look put together to go to an outdoor concert, or just go outside and have drinks with your friends and enjoy this beautiful summer now that we're able to go out. And also, it's like I said, it's just very affordable. 5 products get you out the door quick. So if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I will link all the products down below. And don't forget to share it with anybody you think it might be useful to. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.